Hello, it's Robert Cooper. I want to show you something I think's pretty neat. This is a web page on the internet, and I'm still constructing it, but it allows a person to click on GIMP from a web page, and GIMP loads through the terminal. And I'm going to show an example of sudo apt-get update from a web page, and the terminal asks for the password and it does a update of the package manager. So let's show you what's going on. This is actually a web page, and it's yadgui 14.1. It gets compiled on your computer on Linux. It'll work on all GNU Linux versions, Arch, Debian style, and so on. I haven't tried them on anything. Oh, it'll run on Ubuntu too. Older Ubuntu, the newest Ubuntu, they've taken the libraries away from YAD. So what it does is when I click on GIMP, this YAD program, that's an actual HTML link, except it's specially formatted. It's not HTTPS. It's program : / GIMP with a space. That's the way it's set up. Now when I do the sudo apt-get update, I click sudo, it puts a space behind it. I click apt-get, and I click update, and it puts spaces in it, but it adds spaces to the after part, but I think you'll get the gist of it when I do them. So let's go an example. But again, this is the yadgui program menuing system. It has an option of HTML, and this is a web page. It has brought the web page in, and it uses a special command called URI print that outputs, since this was loaded from a parent bash window, this is actually the child, and when I hit one of these buttons, it sends it back to as stdin into the terminal, actually a program running in the background that's going to analyze the clink, and it's going to strip out what it doesn't need, and it's going to put it in a log, and it adds these up as you click them, and it has to be in the right order, and then it executes. Now let me show you how. One click and execute. Sorry, I had to use F12. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. I didn't realize that when I run the terminal with F12, I have to push F12 again. So let's do it one more time. But again, this one here is on the internet, and it's not 100% done yet. So that's interesting how this F12 works on my computer. So we're going to go ahead and click this, and then we're going to click execute. And you can see where it says program GIMP. That's the actual link that comes off the image, just like a hyperlink. It is a hyperlink, but it's just a different name. And there you go. So we're running from a website, basically web page. It's local right now. It will. I've tested it. It does work on the internet. So go back. This time we're gonna run. We're gonna go sudo. I'm clicking them. apt-get update, and then I'm gonna click execute. And there you go. And it even asks for my password. I've got it. Come on now. I have to focus on there. There you go. All done. And it's updated. I'm hoping that you'll recognize the possibilities with this. Is it secure? To some extent, not right now. I have to do some work on that. But the options are going to be SSH, VPN eventually. That'll be down a year or so down the road. Also, it'll be an option. You can actually send the output out email to your home server and make changes or execute commands. One good example is like using PuTTY, Windows, or SSH on terminal. I've had times where I can't run an application. It won't, for some reason, I just can't run the application. Well, if I needed to run GIMP, I have access to the GUI, but for some reason I just can't get the GIMP to run. I can click on GIMP and run it from anywhere in the world. So this is going to be called Me2PC, and it's going to run on what I'm calling the Opternet. Thank you for watching. It's been fun.